guys, hello, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to the end of the week. That's correct. A lot of good things going on, a lot of great things. So I finished your grades up. Everything should be good to go. Sorry if I missed a couple things, but everything looks pretty good. Also downloaded a new media player. Kind of helped me out too, so not bad. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Everything's going to take care of. So I had your feedback. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Figured I'd get into some editing techniques, see how they would help us out, really get into it a little bit more in detail. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. Just a little bit of help here because you're starting to get into the first 30 seconds. So editing is going to be really key, especially when going from clip to clip. So let's do that. So yeah, editing with Premiere, we talked a lot about some different editing techniques like roll edits, different styles of ripple edits and all that stuff. But there's a couple other things that we focus on, and it's really important to take a longer time-based piece and really edit it completely. And so it's best to do it in editing down in segments, and you want to showcase your best work to your client or potential employer overall. That's definitely a must. In some cases, your work can be best presented in two different ways. Collage cuts are long-lasting clips. And there's different purposes for each one. So collage cuts are really great. Work great for like digital graphics and like if you're showing still images a lot of times. They're great to use creating demo reels that are quick, dynamic, and is set to fast-paced active music. However, you're going to need a lot of pieces to do this. So especially if you want to fill a minute and a half, so at least like 30 to 40 pieces for sure. Collage cutting is an editing technique where clips are cut to be no longer than 5 seconds long. Some clips can be short as half a second possibly, but still you got to make sure that we can see the artwork and why it's important to see that a lot of times. Because if we can't see it, a lot of these clips are too short, then we can't really analyze what you can do. So in this case, several clips from the same piece can be used. You can use the same clip moreover throughout the entire file. And this technique allows to show off all their clips in quick fashion and really shows the variety of work that they can do. It allows a client or company reviewing the work to be reminded of each piece as they looked at being shown in a different segment of this piece or work later on in the demo reel. You can do a lot of callbacks here. We'll talk a little bit more about callbacks when we get to like the core middle of everything, but collage cuts are great if you have a lot of work that you want to show off pretty quickly. So that's a really thing. However, if you don't have a lot of pieces, this isn't the way to go a lot of times. So you want to probably make it a little bit more methodical, a little thought out. Now there's also long-lasting clips, and long-lasting clips work great with like video pieces. So if you have like animations, or if you're showing modeling, or if you're showing a lot of like really in-depth feature work, or from that matter, then long-lasting clips work great because then you can use a lot of different clips, and this works great with like animation techniques, video game features, character modeling, character body language, phonemes. There's so many more different ways that you can go about this. So, and the greatest thing about it is you can really showcase the model, video, like rotate the model in the video, do show different things. So those long-lasting clips can allow us to see what's in that specific clip and specific artwork, and they work really great. Now, for example, it's important to showcase and animate a lip sync, the evolution of characters' emotions, or how a specific animation or video was cut together. Longer cuts are essential. And they're also great because they can showcase like detailed illustration, graphic design, and other like non-motion related pieces a lot of times that require more time to really see everything, and that's big. So, cool. So you can do, but however, a lot of artists could kind of like change it up a little bit. You can combine these techniques as well. So varied profiles with a lot of different clips and styles are very hard for one editing style to help finish the work. So combining the methods actually helps solve this dilemma. So an animator may showcase their illustration work and lip syncing capabilities to show those long-lasting clips, but they may quickly cut some examples of their animation, motion graphics, and video work as well. So it's like really shortcut and collage style, which works great. Now, when editing your work, there's really no wrong answer. If you feel you need to use it, then use it. However, the important goal is to really use any or all techniques to promote the work. All right, that's the biggest thing, promote the work. Now, what animations you can do, like to the presentation or what different transitions you do, the real goal is promoting the work. And that's what you definitely want to really focus on. Sweet. All right, other than that, that's pretty much it. That's all I got. So enjoy the weekend. Be safe, have fun. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's all I got. Have a great weekend. Be safe, and I'll see everybody later. Enjoy.